Hello students, welcome. And in this video, we will discuss the follow-ups for describe a picture or photograph of you that you like. The first question is, what kind of devices do people like to use for taking photos these days? In my opinion, people use different kinds of gadgets. While most people largely rely on their smartphones for taking photographs, photograph enthusiasts prefer to use DSLRs for superior image quality and manual controls. The second question is, why do some people like to delete photos? Now, in this answer, you can state that there are many reasons. Okay, some of the ideas you can incorporate is the storage is full, or there are different photographs. But in my answer, I've stated people delete photos for a variety of reasons. First, they may want to remove low quality images for aesthetic reasons. Secondly, they may delete photos containing personal information to maintain privacy. Also, deleting photos can help free up storage space on their devices. Third question is, why do some people like to keep photos? In my view, people keep photos for different reasons, primarily sentimental reasons. Photos serve as visual records of personal milestones, family histories, and creative expressions. Keeping them allows people to revisit those experiences and emotions. Okay. Fourth question is, has the way people take photos changed? Yes, the photography landscape, the technology in this case has evolved significantly over time. The transition from film to digital camera has made photography more accessible. Additionally, the rise of social media has enabled instant photo sharing, requiring cameras to have features like HDR and portrait modes on smartphone cameras. So nowadays cameras have HDR, portrait, selfie camera. 15 years back or 20 years back, that was not the case. Okay. Fifth and the last question is, how often do you take photographs? I love to take photos as photography is one of my hobbies. I take multiple photos per day, capturing daily moments, selfies, food, etc. Also, I take photos during special events and vacations. Okay, so this was the follow-ups for describe a picture or photograph of you that you like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button